How to lock auto exposure and focus in camera on the iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Then in photo mode, simply focus on the picture first. So tap on the subject and then have it focused. Then touch and hold. So continue to hold for a few seconds, and after shortly, you can see it will show auto exposure and auto focus lock. So it is now locked, so it doesn't matter whether you move your phone around. If you go back to that same position, it will stay focused and the exposure will stay the same. After that, you can take the photo. And that's it. Once you have taken the photo, if you want to remove the auto exposure or auto focus, simply just tap anywhere on the viewfinder and it will remove the autofocus lock. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.